Hey guys, it's Malachi132 here, and welcome back to Drakomon. In the last episode, we currently try to look for the rock gym leader and couldn't find him. But in my tips video, we found the pickaxe, which is necessary to finish the job and get to Flint Town. But I haven't found what's blocking it, so that's what I'm doing now. And we're gonna go check out Flint Town. And if we can find the sheriff in this episode, that's good. If not, that just means more episodes and, more time spending with you guys playing this game that you guys love so much. I also did some more training. So Lizard Knight is now level 21. I know it's not a lot. Oh, okay, this is what was blocking it. Alright. After we break this, we should be able to leave and go to Flint Town. But like I was saying before, Lizard Knight leveled up to 21, and I think a couple of my Drakomon also leveled up as well. But Lizard Knight needs to be overpowered for this gym battle because it's a rock and grass is strong against rock, so he's basically going to be needed in order to win. I'm putting all my faith into Lizard Knight, Hydro Knight, and Narrow Knight, because those three can actually handle rock types pretty easily compared to the others, and plus Arrow Knight is weak, so I can't do that. So along the way I realized I don't have any potions, so now I'm just gonna buy a bunch. I was gonna buy as much as possible with 4,921, but I might need it later, so I won't overstock like I did last time. So I think it's safe. I have no idea where the Drakomon Center is, the healing center. I keep looking and I cannot find it. I know it's in here somewhere. Wait, is it over here? Oh no, it's just a house. Where is it? Oh, okay, there it is. Found it! Alright, let's heal these bad boys up because it was so depressing to try to walk through a whole desert looking for a pickaxe and then randomly running into Los Draco's grunts. Like they were in the cave and there's like 7 of them, and I had no idea what to do because my Drakomon were already like half health from battling wild Drakomon. It was really miserable and tiring, and there was a bunch of stuff still in there, but I was too weak to go check it out because I want to lose all the health. And then leaving the desert and then going through the cave, it was difficult. It was really difficult. I think my Drakomon are like under-leveled, even though they probably shouldn't be. I don't know. I should really check this stuff out and actually manage my Drakomon better. Oh my god, it's a Metagon. Okay, so someone commented and they were like, you should catch a Metagon. So now I'm going to catch this Metagon. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not since it's a rock type and I have Armagon and Patronite. So I have no idea, but I'll catch it, but I don't know if I will use it. Hopefully it works though. Like if I can't catch him, that would be sad. Oh yeah, boy, you already know. Add him to the team. Let's go. Alright, so we successfully caught Metagon, and I guess we're gonna have to battle another one. Okay, let's get this quick and easy, alright? GG, boy. It's all... Aw, come on. Alright, bite one more time, and we're good. Yay. Okay, so I don't know if this... Okay, let's just pick this up. But I don't know if this is our way to Flint Town or not, because there was 2 routes and I took this one. So I don't know if this is the right way or not. Oh my god, sorry, I'm sick of running into wild Drakomon. Alright, let's just get him over it. Please don't use restore. Alright, you troll. You freaking troll. Alright. So we should be good. Yay, we won. Alright, let's continue now. Please don't run into another Drakomon. Yeah! Up, trainer. Move. Juke him. Ooh, got him. And Are we in Flint Town? Yeah, I'm assuming we are. Alright, let's just check it out real quick and I'll end the video here. Okay. I don't know what just happened, but I got a tube. I love rock Drakomon. They're tough fighters. Well, I don't. I'm boy, there's something fun to do in this small town. You said it, girl. Oh, I have no idea what he's saying, but let's keep moving. Alright. Oh, did I check? No, that was that door. Let me check this one. Ooh, there's a patron gun. Underground mushrooms are my Drakomon's favorite. Bring me 5 of them. No! Get them yourself! Get them yourself! Alright, let's see. Please don't be a trainer. Alright. Thank God. Alright, and then there's like a route over there. And that's it. Is there anything else? Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here, but remember to please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.